Hi guys, I'm Beni and today I'm gonna show you a simple yet fun line dance that you can do at cookouts, at weddings. I currently do this dance at my dance fitness classes. I done it at the nightclub, I done it pretty much everywhere. I usually recruit 1 or 2 people to do it with me, and then by the end of the dance, everybody has joined because it's very easy to follow along. So now I'm gonna break down the steps for you. And after you're done with this tutorial, you can go in the description. I added the link to the whole dance, and then you can go ahead and dance along with us. So this has 4 parts. So let's get to it. So this is part 1, okay? So you're just gonna start it on your right foot. You're gonna touch, slide, touch, slide. That's part 1. Let me do it. Backing it up, okay. Touch, slide, touch, slide. Very easy, right? So here is part 2. On part 2, you're gonna walk back, starting on your right foot. You're gonna do right, left, right, and then tap front with your left foot. So again, that will be right, left, right, tap with your left foot. After you tap, you're gonna lean forward and back. Okay? Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 1, tap, lean and back. Okay, so that was part 2. Now we're gonna put both of those parts together. Ready? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, touch, slide, touch, slide, walk it back. 3, 2, 1, tap, lean and back. You got that? Wanna do it again? Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Touch, slide, touch, slide, walk it back. 3, 2, 1, forward and back. Okay, now here is part 3. So your left foot is forward. Now you're gonna swim. You're gonna do swimming motion with your arm, and you're gonna do a shuffle forward. So first on your left, shuffle twice, and then right, shuffle twice. So in the shuffle, you're basically gonna do step forward, feet together, step forward, feet together, and then the other side, step forward, feet together, step forward, feet together. So you are on this side, so you're gonna go swim me 1, other side, swim me 2. This is part 3, so once you're done with this, you're gonna be facing the other way. So from here, we're gonna go to part 4. Part 4, you're gonna touch front, touch side, and then cha-cha-cha. Other side, touch front, touch side, cha-cha-cha. So let's put it together from the shuffle. We're gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8, swim, 1, swim, 2, front, side, cha-cha-cha, front, side, from the top, touch, slide, touch, slide. Okay, now let's do the whole thing from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, touch, slide, touch, slide, walk it back. 3, 2, 1, tap, lean and back. Swim, 1, swim, 2. Front, side, cha-cha-cha, front, side, from the top, touch, slide, touch, walk it back. 3, 2, 1, tap, lean and back. Swim, swim, 1, swim, 2. Front, side, cha-cha-cha, front, side, from the top. So that's the line dance for today.